Hello and hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Nasha Atika binti Bahari. My metric number is A15CS0151.
Okay, my name is Rosz Maizatul Anisa binti Mustafa. My metric number is A15CS0172.
We are enrolled in ULAP 2122 section 37. We are doing this video for our term paper presentation. Our term paper title is Reducing Plagiarism
Among University Students.
So, student is a person formally engaged in learning, especially one who enrolled in a school or college, which in this case, university student is a student enrolled in a university. As university students required to learn and explore new things or concepts mostly on their own in order to train them to deal with work environment successfully later on. Most of the university students tend to plagiarize in their assignments and projects. Next, the definition of plagiarism stated by Hanks in 1979 is the act of plagiarizing, which means taking ideas from another work or author, while Barnhart in 1988 traces the etymology of word plagiarism as literary theft. This is because students use words or ideas of someone for finish the assignment and projects. Furthermore, some students believe to refer on some sources they will be able to produce a new idea. In fact, they are still using the old idea retrieved from the memory. So this unintentional plagiarism can be affected by what psychologists describe as cryptomnesia or hidden memory.
In order to reduce plagiarism among university students, we must know what is the causes of this issue. First and foremost, poor time management of students. Undeniable, some students have a habit of doing work at the 11th hours, which will lead to plagiarism, as that is the easiest way to finish their assignment on time. Next, the student claim that large number of assignments to be done cause them to plagiarize, as equally as also stated in 2008 that student plagiarize because of large number of assignments they are giving. Nevertheless, lecturers is another causes university students involved with plagiarism. Besides, peer influence is another strong factor that cause of plagiarism.
We have heard all the causes. So, in order to reduce plagiarism, college, lecturers, and students should take responsibility. A lot of solutions can be proposed in this problem. So let's take a look at how college can help in reducing plagiarism. We believe that college is the organization related to students can be a solution, as Patrick M. Scanlon stated that college should update their policies on academic honesty to include definition and sanctions regarding plagiarism, and they should regularly publish or otherwise draw attention to these policies. Nowadays, new issue arise, which is cyber plagiarism. So students might not involve in plagiarizing journal or article or reference book, but they somehow might plagiarize from internet because they think that copying and paste from internet source is not categorized as plagiarism.
So the next point, also stated by Patrick M. Scanlon, do any initiative to raise awareness among the students, like cautioning the current trend in online plagiarism, would be a important step for any campus, such as a program could begin with assessment of the student attitude and behavior, faculty opinion and procedure for dealing with plagiarism, and institutional sanction and program. Hence, college management can organize campaign all taught regarding plagiarism, so that students will exposed to bad side of plagiarism to increase their awareness.
So the next solution to reduce plagiarism comes from Colin saying, the internet may make it easier to copy, but it also makes it easier to expose the copier. So, what are you waiting for? College management should start to have college-specific license for digital plagiarism detection that can be used by lecturer and students. Undeniable digital plagiarism detection already exists, such as quotex.com and Turnitin. So college or academic management, academic institutions should grab this opportunity to produce graduation that frees from plagiarism.
Now we focus to lecture who can give a big help to reducing plagiarism. Art Commerce and Radar emphasize to set a smaller of assignment and coordinate
Smaller number
of assignment and coordinate the assignment with assignment for other subjects. Hence, lecturers should standardize the assignment. So it is important to be aware and considerate of students' situation before giving the assignment.
So the next solution that the lecturers can give help also from Art Commerce and Radar in 2010. They described that lecturers should clearly explain the meaning and nature of the task to be carried out by students. So lecturers should show enthusiasm while teaching and willingness to consult students well. When lecturer shows enough enthusiasm with a lot of knowledge, so students will choose to meet up with them and ask for lecturer's consultation instead of plagiarizing from book or internet sources.
CRISPR stated that digital plagiarism allows students to find and copy material, and will the same technology allow staff to detect plagiarism by comparing version of the text and including comparing of student text with massive database which cover much of the internet. So lecturers should actively use digital detection,
especially when the college have their own license. Yeah. Moving on to the next people who need to take responsibility in reducing plagiarism. So no one can change yourself except you. So students must find a way to reduce plagiarism themselves. Our Commerce and Radar highlight to manage time adequately. As a student, we must learn how to have a good time management, because you will have a lot of work, you will have a lot of assignments, not only academic, also co-curriculum and activities and whatsoever. So you have to stop procrastinating and plan based on prioritization. Do what is urgent and important, and then have a schedule, because well, you have managing time well, you can prevent yourself from plagiarizing, because you have you have a good time to relax, finish your job, rather than working at the 11th hour. Moreover, it will lead you to be a good quality student, since not only just reducing the plagiarism.
Our comments and Suneda stated, learn and use quotation and style norm appropriate to the area of knowledge being studied. There are so many ways to do quotation or citation, such as APA and MLA format, but some universities might have different specific format, so students should learn on how to do quotation and citation in the correct way. Do not simply plagiarizing.
So the last but not least is peer influence. Here, P. Ashworth et al. In 1997 stated that the student ethic is one of fellow feeling and peer loyalty, and it is in this context that cheating is mainly evaluated. Indeed, peer influence always gives such an impact that can be a solution in reducing plagiarism among university students. Peer influence is important in order to remind each other to avoid plagiarism. You have to know to choose your friends. Choose a good friend that can help you in completing the task and assignment. Have a discussion rather than only plagiarizing. Yeah, find a good peer. But if you find someone who is not good, then you have to be a good student and influence your peer to avoid the plagiarism. That's it. So move on to the conclusion.
As a conclusion, there is a lot of ways to reduce plagiarism among university students. If all college, lecturer and student play their role effectively, plagiarism can be reduced.
And yeah, there might be negative effects on students while reducing plagiarism. Hence, actions must be taken periodically, starting with exposing students on the bad side of plagiarism, so that they will try to prevent it themselves. Nevertheless, plagiarism should be reduced by settling down all the reasons or causes with all the solutions that we stated before this, or else it might affect the academic institutions. So that's all from us. Thank you. And before that, we would like to thank our lecturer, Miss Mawaddah binti Salleh. Thank you so much. And yeah, we would like to apologize for if there is any mistakes that we've done, and maybe we we would like to apologize sincerely, and that's it. Thank you so much. We love you.